Mountains too high for you to climb. All you have to do is have some climbing faith. Oh yeah, no rivers too wide for you to make it cross. All you have to do is believe it.
Teardrops and I heard it cry. All you need is time. Seek and you shall find. You have everything, you're still lonely. You don't have to be this way. Let me show you a better day.
You see, the morning will come, and all of your days will be bright as the sun. So all of your fears, just cast them on me. How can I make you see? I'll be your battery in the sky. I'll be your shoulder when you cry. I hear your voices when you call me.
performance from the ESSEC sa Huni. Thank you so much, both Jeko and Miss Jolly. We may now, in the next segment, would be the meeting proper. First would be the reading of the previous minutes. Second is the agenda of RRA. To do the honor on the PPSTA Assembly proper, may we request the beautiful, quick-witted President of PPSTA Region 8, Dr. Luisa Bautista Yu. A resounding applause, please.
Thank you for your kind introduction. Baga makalilipay leton nga mga description. So, good morning everyone. How are you today? I caught a very bad cold and cough, but as the saying goes, life must move on. So we have to move on. Then, may I share we have to thank Baybay City Division for wonderful preparations that they have made for the regional representative assembly. Under the leadership of your very active and very fast-moving schools division superintendent. So, thank you, Manny, our board of trustees. We have to give appreciation also to the division of Baybay City for the state-of-the-art venue. This is the newest convention center in Region 8. And we are happy that we have been able to use this for free, bayad. So, papakanado ng mayor. There is a very clear indication of the established rapport between DepEd and our LGUs. For the flowery decorations, for the creative attendance check, although your songs tell your age, mga karaan mo yung mga kanta, you have not leveled up to mga bago ng mga kanta at Christmas. It's high time we level up our Christmas songs. Di rin nila ako nagyahapon dito ng mga kadaan. Waray na yung taging pumas sila sa thank you, ang babarat ninyo. The amazing performers of the program. Pagpakanda natin, yan ang mga kantanera, mga Celine Dion, the overwhelming attendance of the passionate participants. Alayon pagpakpagpusog. In my life, this is the first regional representative assembly that is well attended. In my life, kaya to RRA upatla, pito, wari kami mag-15, the highest was only 12. But now we have 131 participants. Isn't that something, something to be acknowledged about? That is something. Now, may I share with you something about flowers? Have you seen a sunflower? Yes. Sunflowers turn according to the position of the sun. In other words, they chase the light. You might already know this, but there's another fact that you probably do not know. Have you ever wondered what happens on a cloudy and rainy day when the sun is completely covered by clouds? What happens to the sunflower? This is an interesting question, isn't it? What happens to the sunflower when the sun isn't shining? Perhaps you think that the sunflower withers or turns its head towards the ground. Eh, wala man adlaw, so mo ano na lahiyan na the ground or wala na because cannot chase the light since there is no light. Is this what crossed your mind? Well, that's incorrect. This is what happens. They turn towards each other. The sunflowers turn towards each other if there is no sun to share their energy. To share their energy. Nature's perfection is amazing. Now let's apply this reflection to our lives in PPSDA. Many people in PPSDA have become low-spirited and become depressed, especially when we were under conservatorship. Ang mga istorya hadto feel na sing bankrupt na ang PPSDA, na purdoy na ang PPSDA, especially with the uniforms, teachers' uniforms. So, usang word na na kating-kating na nobody wanted to become a member of the PPSDA. And do you know, ladies and gentlemen, that the Philippine Public School Teachers Association is the only accredited, recognized teacher organization in the Philippines. I remember na ako ni scholarship abroad. Ikimputan ko dito, membership in work-related organization. And I said, I am a member of the Philippine Public School Teachers Association. An ambassador, check na yun kay Teachers Association. So in other words, dako an era regard. They have a high regard, especially the Japanese, Mumbusho. They have a high regard for teacher organization. So this should not be ignored. Iti pa nila member even some superintendents are not members of the teacher organization of the PPSDA, but they're members of other organizations. Well, ay neto nila, sige lang. How about following the example of the sunflowers? Supporting and empowering each other. We have to support and empower each other. Diri kay hayaan na lang natin mamatay ni nga PPSDA ni nga chapter because the chapter is dependent upon its leader. Kung nabalin na its leader, diri na na pa member. Napatay-patay na lang, diri na ginkukuha. It modus mga bago nga teachers, ada nga ni superintendent na nag-advocacy, sige pa member. Pero pag ginkukuha dayon, igin pa-disconnect. Diyan na pa member. That is not good. This is the only teacher organization na recognized. Kaya igin pa-advocate nga nini, nga hashtag mga high school teachers should be members of the PPSDA. Ito na mga state colleges and universities, dapat members of the PPSDA. I remember during my time as a trustee, one of our trustees was the president of the Bukidnon State University. And he was able to recruit how many teachers from Bukidnon State University. We really liked him. Appreciated namon niya. He was the only one who worked for the membership of the college level. So, as I said, we have to support and empower each other. Like Katbalogan and Samar, dapat compliment ko mo. Diri kay usala Katbalogan la, usa Samar la. No, you have to work together. Eastern Samar and Burungan should also work together. Northern Samar and even Calbayo could join together. You should empower and help one another. Nature has so much to teach us. We have to learn from the sunflowers. So in this PPSDA Regional Assembly, or in this gathering, we may start and or continue supporting and empowering each other. Ladies and gentlemen, we need each other. PPSD will not progress if we do not help one another. According to Dr. Stephen Covey, without involvement, you should involve yourself. Without involvement, there is no commitment. Mark it down, asterisk it, circle it, underline it. No involvement, no commitment. So meron nga may committed ka itong PPSD but you do not involve yourself, then you are not committed because there is no involvement. There is no involvement. And then according to George Washington, associate yourself with men of good quality. So the PPSD, I know that the men and women here are of good quality. We have the superintendents. May I request all the superintendents to please stand. Wow, mga magkaido, mga guwapo. And also assistant superintendents. Assistant superintendent. This is my first time to meet all the superintendents and assistant superintendents in a gathering of PPSD. Isn't that something remarkable? Grabe ni. In the past, wala namin kikita ng superintendent. They simply ignored our invitation. There was no involvement, and there was no commitment. Associate yourself with men of good quality if you esteem your own reputation. It is better to be alone than in bad company. Tukad ibang mga organization nga, ibalugod, bad company, you will never be happy. So, in PPSD right now, we have some good news and bad news. Good news, we have bad money. But bad news, our money is not sufficient. Because Central Office has not downloaded our money because we have not yet submitted our RRA report. We have to submit our RRA report immediately for us to be given money for the National Assembly. In other words, we are now using whatever money we have in the region to be able to run this regional assembly. We hope for your kind consideration. And the bad news is, one of the officers at Northern Samar chapter passed away. She was already ready for her attendance in this regional assembly, but it was sad fate as she died of a motorcycle accident. May her soul rest in peace. Let's pause for silent prayer. Stand up, everybody, and let's pray for the soul of our PPSDA participant officer from Northern Samar. Thank you. During our last meeting, we planned to give your travel allowance in coming and attending, travel allowance of chapter presidents in attending the regional assembly. But funds are not enough. Enough na for our caterer. But we will be giving you 7,000 lanay para attendance sa NRA para makapalit ka with ticket. Is that okay with you?
Okay.
Yes.
7,000. 2,000 na yung lanay. It could be charged to local chapter or lanay. Kaya wala pa kwarta. But the 7,000 for plane ticket is available today. So that you will be able to buy tickets. So agree, disagree. Explain na rin. Very good. Gino ko mga puta lang yung mga okay ko din yung mga activities, different kasama. So our first activity is determination of the quorum. So I would like to request our Vice President to do the honors of determining the quorum and also reading of the previous minutes and approving the previous minute. Before we do that, reading of the agenda and approval of the agenda. Then reading of the minutes and approving the minutes of the meeting. So ladies and gentlemen, as I have no voice, may I request Vice President Carmelino, Superintendent of Ormoc City, Carmelino Bernadas. Thank you. It's very nice to see you. I'm very happy to see you, beautiful ladies and gentlemen of Region 8. Thank you.